Hi guys, this is a video about the endangered species and about saving them. But first, we need to know what is an endangered species. If we sum up all the definitions of endangered species, we get an endangered species is a species that is in the state of extinction. There are several factors that cause species to be endangered. Some of the common reasons are because of habitat loss. Habitat loss simply means that there is no place to live. If a species have fewer places to live, then it automatically means that the species population will decline. Because of so much urbanizations and development these days, habitat loss is happening quite a lot. Urbanization not only causes habitat loss, but also causes the organisms to adapt to new environment. When that happens, depending on the environment, the species will have a hard time adapting and kill off the population. Pollution also causes endangerment. Pollution can affect negatively on necessary factors such as water, soil, or air. There are other reasons such as poaching. Poaching is illegal hunting. For example, poachers hunt elephants just for its tusks. Poaching is happening quite a lot too. So what kind of effect can endangered species give to the ecosystem? Most of the time, actually almost always, endangerment of organisms have negative effect on the ecosystem. They have negative effects on the food chain, the whole food web, and hard to believe, our daily lives. In the ecosystem, sudden decline of population of specific organisms can unbalance the food web or the food chain. In other words, living things depend on other living things for survival. And if they're not able to, some species will decline radically and some will increase radically. This action will cause chaos in life system which will affect in a bad way. Think about it. If carnivores or any kind of consumer declines radically in population, then herbivores will increase, which would cause them to graze up all the plants, such as vegetables or other crops. If that happens, then we get economic issues because the price would go up. Many researchers show that a lot of endangered plants and extinct plants are the main resources for medicine. They are called medicinal plants and they are endangered. An example would be an American ginseng. Medicinal plants are the requirements for many medicines and they have less side effects. However, endangered species create chaos in the ecosystem, which is generally not good. Endangered species must be saved. Not only that the previous reasons are really important, but it's also that animals have the rights to live. Nowadays, humans and animals have a parasitic, symbiotic relationship. It means that humans are the only ones who are benefiting from the expense of other organisms. It is psychologically proven that animals have emotions such as happiness, grief, confusion, tired, and so on, just like us. We have to think about and respect the animals. Think of what they have done to you. Luckily, many global and local organizations are preserving the endangered species by doing things such as stopping poaching, cleaning the water, and creating artificial habitats. They also work with the government for more efficient work. This does not mean let's kick back. We can also help them by doing simple things. First, the easiest one would be to donate and support organizations that are working to save the endangered species. Second, we can recycle. Recycling can reduce the amount of pollution to the environment. Third, we can also create little environments, such as bird baths or plants in our backyards. This will give some animals a place to live and survive. We can also use less toxic and eco-unfriendly products such as shampoo, soap, pesticides, or paint. These simple actions can in fact save more than 20 species. And I see no reason why we should take responsibility to what we have done. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we can do this.